Hop over to a beautiful soul named Dr. Jen. Dr. Jen is an incredible soul and chiropractor. And because of where we are today with what we have, she's able to continue doing what she's doing. And I'll let her share that story. So Jen, if you could unmute and share what's been going on in your world, that would be beautiful, please.
Hey guys, Dr. Jennifer here. So I have been a prenatal and pediatric chiropractor for 8 years now. And in the last 5 years, I would notice that my wrists would get sore off and on. And then within these last couple of years, between working out and adjusting, I was having to get my wrist adjusted 3 times a week and wrap them with KT tape. And they were still sore. And it scared the heck out of me because I love adjusting families. I have created like lifelong relationships with my patients. And I had been taking collagen since I was in my 20s. I started with powdered collagen. And then as soon as I learned about the benefits of liquid collagen, I switched over to numerous liquid collagens. And my wrist still hurt, but I kept taking it because I knew, like, I know this is my ligaments. Like, I know this is what I need to be doing. And then in March, I met a beautiful human, Jillian Fisher, and she shared this collagen with me. And ever since I've been taking it, literally, I have not had wrist pain once since. And I've been adjusting more people every week, and I have had more energy. So I started the Tri-Synergizer and the collagen. And I will be doing this for the rest of my life and sharing it with as many people as I can, because it has been life-changing for me. And I know it's life-changing for so many of my patients too.
Love, love, love that. So Dr. Brett is also a chiropractor. As chiropractors, if your hands and your wrists aren't working well, it kind of impacts your job. So Brett, why is this helping?
Yeah, that's awesome. And real quick, Dr. Jen, how long had you been on collagen that before the liquid collagen? It's since your 20s, so how long?
So 18 years.
18 years, okay. And how long after you started taking the Nrf2, the Tri-Synergizer and the collagen, did you start noticing a difference?
Within a week, for sure.
Okay, all right. So I love your story, by the way, and I think that's what, you know, at the core of who we are as chiropractors, like, we just can't help but touch people. We just love to work on people and to touch their hearts and touch their bodies. And we just love working with them. And when you can't do that, and not only, like, imagine if you had an injury, you couldn't go, like, you just keep doing it. So how many of you are out there, maybe you're having to get more physical body work than you think you need to, right? And just to keep going. And that could be massage, that could be chiropractic, that could be PT, any of those things, or you've had to change careers because of the pain you have. A colleague of mine just the other day started the collagen just a week ago because we had this conversation. Like, he hurts too bad, and so he's considering getting out of practice because he hurts too much. And so here's the amazing thing about what she noticed is that she was doing the right thing. She was taking supplements. She was taking collagen based upon the knowledge we have, which is we're trying to replace the deficiency. But it wasn't a deficiency. It was not activated. And so what LifeVantage does that's phenomenally unique is that they understand and are looking for the switches in the body, we call them genes, that regulate how the body makes energy, how it produces what's called enzymes that help your body repair faster, how the same cells communicate, and specifically how the body makes collagen. Like, there are certain assembly lines in your body that make collagen. So yes, you need the right ingredients, but if those assembly lines aren't turned on, that's a problem. And what happened to Dr. Jen is when she started taking that activated form of collagen, she was taking collagen, and probably good collagen, but it was not activated. So LifeVantages had ruby red quinoa in it. And that extract turned on the assembly line, or the ovens of your body, or known as the fibroblasts. Those are little cells. Those are the ovens in your body that makes not only your collagen, but what's called elastin. These are different things that make your skin elastic. It also makes what's called the extracellular matrix, which allows you to be hydrated, allows your skin to be hydrated. So for her, within a week, she began to notice, and not only what she said was, she then started having more energy. So her body was running on max to do everything it could just to keep up. So it wasn't repairing, it was just getting by. And so when you can get the body to regulate differently and you give it what it needs, and then you turn on the ovens to make it, it's a vastly different experience. So I love that. I'm grateful you're out there practicing. That's awesome. And for 18 years, you've been taking good products that's not activated. That's the reality of what we have our hand on. LifeVantage is making activated products that work on, if you're a mammal, your genes to activate health.